Here's the thing that's been bothering me. The TV's finally free and I've got time to game. But there's just one thing that's bothering me. I don't want to start a new game. I want to carry on what I'm playing on my deck. And well, the PS5 or Xbox isn't going to let me do that. That one moment wanting continuity instead of restart made me realise I've been buying the wrong hardware. If you're curious as to why I'd do that, well, hit that subscribe button. So I've got a PS5 Pro underneath my TV, I've got an Xbox on the dark cube desk, and well, they're just sat there, not really being played with. Beautiful hardware, expensive, sat there waiting for GTA 6, Wolverine. Here's the thing, when the TV's free, well, I don't want to start something new. I just want to play what's on my Steam Deck. Same game, same save, same progress. And well, neither console offers me that. These consoles demand I book time, demand the TV is free, demand I commit to a full session. And well, they're built for a life I don't have anymore. But here's what actually happens. I'm playing Red Dead on the deck in my bed. I save it, I close it. TV becomes free, and well, what do I do with my time? With the PS Pro, I start something new, something different, and well, that creates friction. But that's not what I want anymore. I want continuity. I want to pick up exactly where I left off. Same game, same progress, just on a bigger screen. The Steam machine would solve this conundrum elegantly. I close the game on the deck, hop over to the Steam machine, which will hopefully be in the living room, and open the same save, carry on the big screen. Same game, same save, same progress. That's it. That's the whole thing. Cloud saves make this work. No restarting, no friction. Gaming just carries over whenever you have the time. Here's the deeper thing here. PlayStation owns my library. Xbox owns my library. And well, my games are locked to those platforms forever. Steam? Well, that library can travel with me. Deck, Steam machine, PC, whatever comes next. One library, many devices. That's real freedom for gaming. And well, a PlayStation and Xbox lock you into what they decide you can play. Steam, well, if it runs on Steam OS, you can play it. And well, that's ownership. One more thing that surprised me recently, multiplayer on the Steam Deck. It actually works, providing you use the right game. So recently, I've been playing a lot of Star Wars Battlefront 2, and I've been getting a solid 60 FPS whilst playing, and well, this is one of the most enjoyable experiences I've had playing the game, and well, it's come from the deck. Battlefront 2 runs solid. I'm not having to pay Sony or Xbox for the privilege to play against the community. And well, of course, there's no £60 entry fee with that. I'll own the game, and I can play wherever. So I've got a full video planned on Battlefront 2 as well, so hit that subscribe button so you don't miss that video. This isn't a handheld compromise, it's a real gaming platform. Question, are a lot of you watching this video right now sitting there with hardware just gathering dust? If so, let me know in the comments down below. I reckon a lot of you are in the same exact spot as myself. Gaming life, it's getting on. I'm getting into the outer years of gaming, and well, my demand for what a console can give me has changed slightly. I don't need raw power. I want flexibility. I want gaming in moments, not sessions. And that changes everything about what hardware actually matters to me. That's why the Steam machine is the future for me. So could I ditch Xbox, PlayStation? Yeah, I think I could. Not because they're bad, but they're not solving a problem for me anymore. The Steam machine solves the right one. And well, that's why I'm actually contemplating getting rid of the PS5 and the Xbox. If flexibility matters to you more now, then well, hit that like button. And if you support what we're doing here, then consider joining the After Bedtime Club. $1.99 a month and early access to videos and a community of parents trying to figure out gaming. Links in the description. Are you considering ditching consoles and maybe just going fully handheld, or are you going to complement your Steam Deck with the Steam machine? Let me know in the comments down below. And until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.